Bhí sé Alyx Coby. Tom Shadeg bliain díis. Is Tamánaí cart me. Thusig mé ag rásaíocht nuair a mé 8, ach an céad ár sí mé isteach ag cart riamh nuair raibh mé 6, agus just as amach sin just bhí is agam is rud éigint a bhí sim mór agam seach ann agus ní raibh aon sport eile a raibh mé ag iarraidh dhéanamh tar éis. An caiig tú bheith garbh is cholín mé agus tá sé píosa deacair dom lena buaclaí ach nuair a bhí mé fástús timpeall an rásaíocht, bhí orm bheith níos garbh ná aon duine eile ach ag an time céine caiid bheith meas agat ar gach duine eile. You don't want to be intimidated. Tá tú ag sí sa cart ar an grid réig le haig dul amach agus caiig tú smaoineamh freight cailtá mé dhéanamh caiig plan a bheith agat.
I've been working with Alyx now for a little over maybe a year, and I'm just trying to use my own experience of being an athlete at the top level in my sport to share my own experiences with her, help her from a fitness and physical point of view and mental preparation leading into the season ahead, and also helping her with her development as she progresses as a racing driver. Tá go leor daoine timpeallacht, tá fearn mór agus caiig sé bheith láidir, tá mo dhead agam meicnóir agus bhíonn sé ag obair dom an tam ar fad, tá sé ag fécinn orm agus gachraí dhéanam agus tá is aige cad caiig mé obair agus gachraid mar sin, agus an sin tá daoine mar Nikki Daly a bhíonn lom ag traenála agus ag bheith it's réig le ag rásaíocht, nuair atá sé cad atá me githe roimh rás agus cad tá mé ag smaoineamh agus tá na daoine atá imime fearn a bhíonn ag rásaíocht freisin, bíonn muid ag obair le chéile. She's been competing now for 10 years and she's won in every class that she's competed in. She holds a number of lap records around Ireland at different tracks, so I suppose that's impressive in itself, but also she's a minority in a male-dominated sport, being a female, so I think that's impressive that she is not only a minority but she's also successful. In near row championship agam a senior X30, so tá sé nua go leor ach tá mé ag súil go mór le ag rásaíocht le daoine atá níos mó experience agus daoine fásta. An rud is mór ag sé smaoin a bheith an time ar fad is consistency. Sin an rud is mó, tá an rudaí ag cóir an timpeall ach caiig tú bheith ag cuineású ar gachgurt caiig tú bheith dírithe ar cad atá tú ag déanamh. An nuirí fuair mé go mé chance chun bheith ar CJJ motorsport ar dús le haig ag bheith ceochta le haig an fearn is rud mór agus thug sé lán confidence dom le haig I dhéanamh rudí mór cúb mé go dtí an rank agus bhí mé ag rásaíocht ladies Miami finals agus bhí mé ag tiomáint níos fearr ná bheith mé ag tiomáint riamh just le haig an confidence a thug John agus Suzanne Campion. I think Alyx is definitely a huge role model for the young girls in Ireland. We have a couple of young female karters now coming up behind Alyx, and I know that they look up to her very much, so I think being able to put her on a global stage and to see her competing internationally will only enhance that for the younger drivers, so they have something to look up to and something to aspire to be. Tá mé agsú chun bheith ag rásaíocht Europe agus bheith ag tiomáint ag gcuine daoine atá níos mór experience agus bheith ag tiomáint le grids níos mó agus an practice sin a fáil agus an experience sin a fáil.
I think it's a natural progression for her now to transfer into cars. I know that that's certainly the next step that she's looking to do. There's a championship called the W Series, which is a women-only series that was introduced about 2 years ago. And it's now running alongside Formula One, so I think to have an Irish female driver on the same grid as Formula One would be incredible, and it's definitely within Alyx's reach. So I think that that's going to be the maybe interim goal, but I think her long-term goal is just to be a professional racing driver, and there's no reason why that can't happen.